Good morning, traders. It's Trader Rob. First day back from vacation. Today's Monday, July 8th. Let's get this day in the green. Let's get this week in the green. And let's get this month in the green. Let's take a look at strategies right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so I took the entire week last week off, was on vacation with the kids, the family, and feel refreshed, feel ready to trade again. That's for damn sure. Where do we start? All right, let's take a look at where the dashboard sits. Kind of a rough end to June and last week. Looking at the numbers, I'll put up the stats for the entire month of June, they were pretty much all I think in the green, which is great. First week in July is in the red. So I will, during my recap, I will post those stats here as well. So the dashboard currently sits at $50,444, which is a big decline from where we were at. We were at about 52,300. So hoping to build that back up. And then as far as our levels for the morning, I do have a trade set up here on the ES. I've got a 15-minute level at 56.18. Nothing up here do I like as of right now. I do have a 5-minute level at 56.12 and another 5-minute level at 56.07. So my thought process here is if we can get a retracement from price action down to this level, we'll take this right back up to this 15-minute level, and then I got a stop pretty much right below 56.07. So I believe that should be about 5 points. Let's see what this. So stop loss would be about 5.25 points, and we'd be targeting right around 7 points on this trade setup that I have mapped out already this morning. Obviously, price action needs to go well. Needs to follow my plan. So we'll see if that's the case here this morning. On the NQ, nothing really. Don't like anything up here. Obviously, we're at highs. Got a 5-minute level at 26.09. I've got another 5-minute level at 5.84, and I got another 5-minute level at 5.23. Really no 15-minute level here anywhere near price action. So really no trade setup here yet this morning. But as price action develops throughout the morning, especially after the open, I'll keep mapping my levels and keep updating Discord with any levels or any setups that I might be looking at. Again, if you want to learn how to trade the level setups that I have, there's a link to that strategy in the description. Same with oil, gold, and the 15-minute Rob reversal, which so far in July we had 2 losers and 1 winner. So we're down 35 points on the Rob reversal first week of July. Hopefully here this morning we can get another setup and take a win. So if you stick around in the next few minutes, you're going to see all of my trades for this morning, and stick around for the recap. I'll have the stats and how I did this morning. See you guys in a little bit.
Order canceled.
All right, here is our first trade of the morning, which is an oil session 1. We do get activated here into the short based off of the green inside bar there that you see. What we're looking for, obviously, is some strong momentum to the downside, and that's exactly what we get. And sorry about that. And I know that, once we get past that long wick that we 2 candles to the left, we're going to get a strong push if we can break through that. Felt really good about this trade. Full take profit there. I think that was about $150 or 15 ticks. And then at the same time, we also did get into our gold trade for the morning. And here we got activated to the long based off of that green inside bar. So if we put our
We put our stop loss at the bottom of the source candle, which is pretty much that black doji candle that is to the left of the green. You will see that that is 20 ticks, and 20 ticks is also what we are looking for full take profit. And again, we're looking for momentum push outside of that green inside bar. That's pretty much the entire strategy there. It's that momentum push out, which we got. We pretty much came to about 50% take profit there. And here we go into a little bit of retracement right back to our entry. And now just kind of looking for buyers to kind of re-step back in and hopefully take this trade to full take profit, which would be fantastic. It'd bring us up to about 35 ticks for the day, or $350 in profit if we can get a win here. So again, just really looking for buyers to step in, and they do make a really nice push here. Full take profit in oil session 1 and in gold. Nice way to start the morning.
Target filled.
All right, so we had a pretty damn good start to the week. Kind of got back into the saddle of trading, and I can't remember the last time that I took almost an entire week off of trading. It was kind of nice. It was a nice little, some nice time off that I think I kind of really needed. Morning strategies did pretty damn well today. Let's take a look at. We had a setup in oil session 1. We did get activated into the short. 15 ticks, pretty quick take profit. Spiked, then came right back up, but we were able to take full take profit there, 15 ticks. So I was already up $150 there. And then we took a trade in gold, which is right here. This one we got activated to the long, 20 ticks. Obviously, stop goes at the bottom of your source bar, which is 20 ticks, 1-to-1. And this sucker really shot up for full take profit there. So ended up the day up $350, which was fantastic. No trades on the Rob reversal here today, and no trades on the levels. Now, if you guys remember, I had called out a play here that I really liked on the ES, which was a retracement down to this 5-minute level at 56.12, and then just retarget the 15-minute level at 56.18. Price actually got pretty close, but never really ended up tapping into my order, so did not take any trades. But as you can see, this 15-minute level got respected really, really well. So, it adds confidence. That's the one thing that I can say is that, even if my trade setup doesn't come to play out, it's nice to see that the levels that I map out are still being respected, and there's definitely some type of reaction at those levels, which is important. So overall, and I said that I would share with you guys the stats. So these are the stats for June. Oil session 1 was up 75 ticks. Again, if you're just trading 1 E-mini, which is what I trade on my evals, you'd be up $750. Oil session 2 ended up negative 28 ticks, so down $280. Gold was up 35 ticks, so you'd be up $350. And these numbers were honestly really much, much stronger. But that final week, that last week in June, just really just hurt. And then the Rob reversal last month did absolutely fantastic. So that was up 245 points, past another eval just in June as well. And we got, that would have been 4,900. You add everything together, and the strategies would have netted you 5,720. I should say gross, because obviously you could take commissions out and stuff like that from there. And the first week in July,
Not the best. So oil session 1 down 30 ticks, so down $300. 4 ticks positive oil session 2, which is $40. Gold minus 7 ticks, minus $70. You can almost count these all as pretty much break even. And then we are down 1 Rob reversal. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we had 2 losers last week and 1 winner. So these numbers, obviously, I update every Friday. Obviously, when I add in today's winners, oil session 1 will look better. Gold will be in the positive. So, it's and I update them every single week in my Discord, and at the end of the month, I post all of the results of all of the strategies, and that goes back I think probably to the beginning of this year. They're in there. So that's all I got for today. It's a late day. I got home from work. It's about 7:17 now. I'll upload this. I will be going live this Wednesday, 8 a.m. Central Time. So if you are trading my strategies, learning the strategies, it's a great opportunity to ask me any questions that you might have. I go over how I map out my levels each morning, and then obviously you'll be able to watch me trade the strategies live on Wednesdays. So I will see you guys here tomorrow. Have a great one.